Hi everybody. Hello. So yeah. Okay. So I'm going to wait for like a couple of minutes to thank you. Thank you Shamna Kasim. Thank you Purna. And thank you so much guys. So many people wishing a happy birthday today and it's beautiful. I mean నేను ఇంకా చాలా మంది accept చేయాలి. చాలా మంది పంపించిన wishes ని I still have to accept them. So many wishes. So thank you so much to one and all for it. And yeah, so I wanted because see it is definitely a quarantine birthday, so I wanted to celebrate this moment with you all. And మొత్తం ఈరోజు mama, I think he wants to go out. So yeah, it's a quarantine birthday obviously. నాలాగా చాలా మంది fortunately or unfortunately will be celebrating their birthdays in a quarantine way. I don't know if it's a blessing in disguise or what, but I'm just happy about the fact that today I am celebrating my birthday with my mother. The reason behind my existence is definitely her. నేను ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నానంటే it is only because of my mom, right? So I'm glad. నేను ప్రతి ఇయర్ ఐ ట్రై టు స్పెండ్ ఇట్ అండ్ ఐ మేక్ షూర్ దట్ మై మమ్ ఈస్ దేర్ విత్ మీ ఆన్ మై బర్త్డే. అండ్ నేను ఎక్కడున్నా, ఇఫ్ నాట్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్, ఐ అట్లీస్ట్ ట్రై దట్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఎవ్రీ ఆల్టర్నేట్ ఇయర్ I should spend time with my mom and she should be around me on my birthdays. So yes, so I wanted to show you guys my birthday cake. Okay, birthday cake. So నాకు కొన్ని options ఉండేవి. I had a few options to get my cake done from a couple of cake shops and all, but my mother was like no. She was like a strict no. There will be no cake coming from outside. So she was very strict about it. So yes, I don't have the fashionable English cake, but then what I have here is, ready for it? Yeah, that's my favorite aate ka halwa because I love aate ka halwa. So this is aate ka halwa, and yes, my friend Richie actually baked a cake for me. She thought, because both of us are in Vizag right now, so she thought she'll be able to come and we'll be able to meet up. Acha, okay. She'll be able to come and we'll be able to meet up, but it did not happen kabatti. So yeah. So my mom made all my favorites today. There was masala dosa for lunch, which is my favorite anmata. I'll put out the pictures. So masala dosa and vadas are like my favorite anmata. So she made an all-out South Indian brunch for me. So I had masala dosa, I had vada, and aate ka halwa is my favorite. So so here is my aate ka halwa, and there is a little candle and all. So I thought I should share this moment with you all. And yeah, so I'm going to call my mom now, and of course Bumble. And yeah, let's cut the cake. Mama, aa okay. नहीं, so we'll just cut the cake with all the guys here. Are we ready? Come, Bumble, come. Come here. Beta, aaja. Ole, babu, come here. Who's my good boy? Jump. Ole, Bumble is here. Yay, Bumble is also here. And look, he's also all dressed up in his little, whatever this is called. Yeah, Bumble is also here. He's also nice and all dressed up. So, are we ready? Ole, babu, okay. Bumble wants to eat the cake, but he's not allowed to have it, so he's kind of getting all wanky. Come, Mama, sit. Mama, come sit. So let's do this, guys. Happy all out. This is like the pakka ఇండియన్ ట్రెడిషనల్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే సో పాతకాలంలో కూడా ఆబ్వియస్లీ దే యూస్ టు బీ నో కేక్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ కదా సో ఏం చేసేవాళ్ళు ఇంట్లో ఖీర్ పాయసం అట్లాంటివి చేసేవాళ్ళు సో ఎస్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో యునో హోమ్ మేడ్ ఇన్ ద టిఫిన్ బాక్స్ compressed Ateka halwa because my mother was like don't get anything from outside. You saw the pizza incident. Pizza boy valla malli 72 effect ayyaru. So yeah, so we are doing it all homemade and oh babu Mumble is really upset because he doesn't get to eat this, right? So yeah, mama come this side now. Right, so that's my mom and this is her idea of a homemade cake. So let's do it. Let's sing, let's sing, let's sing. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Okay. Thank you, Mom. Oh, mera beta.
Happy birthday. Mama ka birthday.
Yeah. Thank you, Mom. No Bumble, sorry. That's why I gave it interesting before.
Give up little that.
Yeah. You can have a little bit of this.
Go.
Oli, good boy.
Go.
So yes, guys, I wanted to do this little thing on my quarantine birthday with all of you. So now I'm going to go on a big time, what do you say, call with all my cousins and everybody. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all these many lovely wishes. It means a lot. So once again, thank you so much. And I will make up to this because I'm a big party person. I'm like, I love birthdays. I love birthdays. I love doing theme-based birthdays. I enjoy it immensely. So after the lockdown, anta ba ayin tarvata kachitanga I'm going to do like a birthday thing, like throw a big party because I have to make up to a lot of things. So yeah, once again, thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Keep the love pouring, and all of you mean a lot. Whatever I am today is thanks to you all, and it means a lot. So I wanted to share this moment with all of you. So once again, what Babu? What? So I wanted to share this moment with all of you. So once again, thank you so much, guys. Love you all, and keep showering your blessings and love on me. Thank you. Bye bye.